Hello, this is Raj Class, and today I am going to demonstrate the routing protocol called Ospf. So we will do this in using the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so the full form of OSPF is Open Shortest Path First. It is a routing protocol for Internet Protocol networks, IP networks. It uses a link state routing (LSR) algorithm and falls into the group of interior gateway protocols (IGPs) operating within a single autonomous system. It is defined as OSPF version 2 in RFC 2328/1998 for IPv4. So we will first take two generic routers followed by two switches. And then computers. Then wire these, connect these, okay. So this is our network 1, this is our network 2. We can also mark it for better understanding. And for this a different color. So these are two different networks. We will place this network as 192.168.1.0. This is our network over here. This is our second network. Okay, these two are two different sets of network. Now we have to connect the router of network 1 to router of network 2. Oh, we would use the serial DCE serial 2/0 port, connect it over here. So here As you can see, there is the clock. So this is the DCE, and this part doesn't have the clock, so this part is the DTE. So the connections are all set up. Now we have to configure. So let's start configuring. We first enable the router, then we go to the configuration mode. We change the router name using the host command. So it's now R1. So let us now configure. So what we will do first is we will enable these wires, these connecting wires. We first enable because if we don't enable these connections, OSPF connections won't work properly. First, let us enable. So we type interface, then fast Ethernet 0/0. Now it's in the configure if mode. So now we type in the IP address 192.168.1.1 followed by the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown, that is. So as you can see, this connection is green and this is blinking, which is actually making this path ready to go. So in the meantime, let's do the same thing for this path as well, this router as well. Enable configure mode host. Let's change this to R2. It's in R2 mode. Now fast Ethernet 0/0, and then the IP followed by the IP address 192.168.2.1 followed by the subnet mask, then no shut. Okay, so now this is also this is ready. This is being ready. So let us work on this router now. So let us start working. Let us get out of this fast Ethernet interface mode and go to the configure mode. This is our configure mode. So now router OSPF 1. This is the process one. So now we are in the configure router mode. So now we give the network. followed by the subnet mask, followed by area, followed by the network. This network is the network that connects network 1 and network 2, the third network that connects network 1 and network 2, followed by subnet mask, area 0. Okay, this looks good. So let us let us first go outside of the router configuration, config router. Now we are back in the configuration mode, and let's do the serial interface part as well. Interface, serial. Now we are again in the config F, but this serial mode is used for this part. So if we could name this path our network 12.0.0.0 for better understanding. So now we are back to the interface serial. After we have completed this, we will move on to the second router and perform similar tasks. So here what we will do is 12. We will give the IP address, that is 12.0.0. Maybe 3, anything, followed by the subnet mask, yes, sorry. So now we are ready. The serial port is also set. So now what we have to do is no shutdown, and as you can see, the link has changed to down state. Change state to down. That is what happened here, because it's like a seesaw. The first router that, like a person who sits first on the seesaw, goes down. It's the same. This router, our network 1 router, was changed, was modified or updated, so it went down. So as soon as the other router is updated as well, it will go up. So here we are in the second router. Let's go out of this, and now we have to configure the Ospf over here. So router Ospf process 2. We are in the config router mode. Now the network 192.168.2.0, which is our network, followed by the subnet mask 0, 0.0.0.255 followed by area number 0. Now the network, again the network 12.0.0.0 followed by the subnet mask area 0. So we are done here. Let's go out of the config router. Now we are back to configure. Now we have to set the serial path as we need to open this, enable this thing. So let's check interface serial 2/0. Now we are in it. IP address 192.168. Oh, sorry, this is not the IP address over here. 12.0.0.4255, which is the subnet mask. No shut, no shutdown. As soon as I press enter, this line should be enabled. This line. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this line is enabled. As you can see, change state to up. And here you can see Ospf loading done. So Ospf has been loaded successfully. So let us, oh sorry, I did a mistake. I haven't done a mistake. I was going to do a mistake. The thing is, I haven't set the IP address for the individual personal computers, PCs. To follow, and this is the default gateway. Done. Now the second network computer. And the default gateway. Now we are good to go. Let's check step by step. It's successful. Okay. Successful. It's successful. So all the three steps are running. Last and final, the most important, it's a successful. Now let us see the animation of this. It's just showing the animation that how a packet is sent from one PC to another PC, from one network to another network using the routing protocol. And what I mean by routing protocol is how two or more routers communicate with each other, maintaining some with basic rules and regulations like ethics. So it's a success. This is the complete animation. Thank you. Hopefully it was understandable.